Hello, welcome to our channel. Google Maps. Remove your post due to not recommended by the post on your particular Google My Business. So, what kind of issues majorly failure? There is a if you are continuously uploading is going on, they will be remove your post. What is happening here? Your Google Map will be completely suspended. So, compulsory. What are those you can posting on content? Simple. I'll show example. I'll selecting for in this website for we are into the posting purpose. What are the things here? I have the one problem will be your post was removed because of content that is considered as a spam, or we can delete it. When it is happening like this, delete immediately this option. So after this one, I'm selecting one post will be here. The post we can go for refresh. What are the spam content? Immediately you can delete from your particular post is compulsory important. Sometimes takes some long time will be here. Sometimes will be removed from the fraction of seconds. This will be not uploaded. So content will be posting time. Most of the things we can follow the proper posting. So here add update. What are the posting purpose? What I'm selecting in this posting here, copy this gym and fitness training center in Madhapur. Click for learn more, copy the URL and paste your image. After pasting any image, we can go to this option will be here, resize the image and click for post it. After posting, click for done here. This post is pending and should be published soon. You have to wait for certain seconds. The post will be publishing purpose. Now you can go with the refresh option. When you go to refresh, see this post will be successfully done. So why this post will be violent and everything? What will happen in a posting content? You are using any hashtags and web link or using any phone numbers and proper not content. Logo will be not highlighted. That will be depend on the things they will be violate on your particular post. In a violate post will be here. I'm using for hashtag on the content and I'm using by my phone number. That is the reason the post was removed because of the content of considered spam. When a posting time, don't use the phone numbers, hashtags, what are the things are here. Don't use this particular option. After this one, what are the image you posting on the posting on the update? Same image you can upload will be into the photos option. Compulsory. What are those steps we are follow here? The same image you can upload by the photos option. After that, we can check the photos. Is a pending and disapproved. If it's disapproved, so immediately you can check action will be remove the images. Don't say, stay ideal onto images. Still on not approved images. Please remove on time it. Anything is not approved, the images should be removed from the Google Maps. Sometime taking for 1 day time, sometime taking will be within a time of period. They show you remove the images. So compulsory, what are the images you are uploading on Google My Business, which is not uploaded, immediately removed from your Google Maps option. These two things compulsory you can follow it. So where you can check image once again, we'll go back after uploading. Here is the upload images are here. Just click in this images. What are those images will be here? Right now this will be approved. So ends will be who will be like they will like your images. Your Google Map don't like yourself. So that is the Here is the purpose. This image will be add your website address, logo, anything will be possible. Logo will be very small icon use will be here. Any internet image that copy from internet, this image also will be violate on your Google Maps. Take from Google, make it changes on your with logo and some other changes added text content, and after upload by the Google Maps option. That will be very advantageous to your post will be approved on your Google Maps location. If any this kind of question on the spamming content, please contact our channel. I definitely will support you. And if you want any looking for Google Maps trainings, please ping me comment. I definitely give the training for the Google Maps purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.